Hi, this is Shikha Gupta. I hope you all are fine and you all are doing great. This video had some important points and it would help you to relate with this topic. So let's begin. Generally, it comes to here now, like I'm mediocre. I don't have any specific qualities. I don't have any specific talent over which I can work. I have been sent here with no such qualities which I can expand it in my own ways. Like these kind of things generally comes to here now. So, this video will help you to get your best qualities, to explore your talent. First of all, let me tell you one thing. Everybody has been sent here with some specific qualities. Everybody has been gifted with amazing talent by God. In various ways, everybody has been gifted. Actually, nobody here is mediocre. Nobody here is ordinary. Everybody is extraordinary. Everybody has something best within him or her. We need to find out, we need to look for it. And what are the things that makes us somewhere feel like we are mediocre, we are ordinary, we are here simply to live a very mediocre life? It is our thoughts, it is our mental ability, it is our thinking ability, it is our ideas, thoughts, creative mind. These are so small that somewhere makes us feel like we are mediocre. It makes us feel like we are mediocre, we are ordinary. Otherwise, if you look for your good qualities, if you look for your positive qualities, then you will definitely get something best within you. And nobody here is actually going to tell you what hidden talent or what specific qualities you have. You need to find out, you need to look for it, you need to give space to yourself. You need to look for your hidden talent, because everybody has been gifted. So you need to look for it. And one more thing I want to tell you, that whatever has been created or whatever is being created on this earth is by ordinary people. But yes, they are like, they have some special qualities, like they are their thinking ability, their ideas, their thoughts. These are so amazing that makes them feel like they are extraordinary. So we need to do the same. We need to broaden our ideas, thoughts, creative mind, thinking ability. We need to improve all these things, because creativity goes hand in hand. Creativity can be found in various ways, and everybody are here to do or to create something great. Everybody can do what they wish to do. You need to find out, you need to look for your good qualities, you need to look for your positive qualities, and you will definitely get something best within you. I hope this video would be very helpful to you, and you will definitely like this video. That's it. Thank you.